How's it going, BBI fabricators y fabricadores? Andrew here with a new product that will not only make your stone happy, but your customers as well. Stone Shield All-in-One Cleaner. But what does all-in-one mean anyway? This will clean, enhance, and protect your surfaces. Daily cleaning or removal of food residue, grease, fingerprints, you name it, with a streak-free finish. It'll leave your countertops, vanities, or any other stone surface with a shine and even enhance the color on your stone and your customer's home. One thing to keep in mind though, this is not a replacement to a stone sealer on your surfaces. I always recommend sealing your stone when needed. So, if your stone needs a touch-up from use, let Stone Shield protect it. Also, fabricators, remember that BBI guarantees your customer delight. Y fabricadores, no se olviden, BBI garantiza el deleite del cliente. Check out our website also for the best products and the best service in the stone industry. Or give us a call, 800-575-4401 to speak with our experienced and professional stone industry experts.